really not that bad. I got the other server down here now too. It's nice how the Dell put the USBs on the front and back. You're gonna have to use this because if you don't, you won't have to have you won't be able to have anything plugged in. Although it does have a drive here. So I'll work with the Cisco later. I don't even know what to do with this one. Now that I figured out what I did wrong, but I still don't know what the hell to do with it. See how much we're drawing. 170. Looks fine. $60, 148, 153, 163. Okay, so basically, I don't even know where the mouse is. I gotta go find the mouse. Alright. Let's see if it's gonna work. Alright. I don't know what to do with this thing. Well, the time's not right either. Interesting. Let me see if we can adjust it. Okay. I don't know how to adjust it. Maybe the server's wrong. What a pain in the butt. I don't like this mouse either. It's kind of hard to use. Settings. Alright. Bluetooth. So I'm not even sure what the hell am I supposed to do with this thing. Okay. And oral clock. Let's just go PHO. There we go. It shouldn't be 2 hours behind. Add. Okay. Alright. And now somehow I need to adjust my system clock. Date and time. There we go. Okay. Automatic date and time. Okay. Let's go change it to. Okay. Enter. Right. Let me make sure it doesn't try and change my time. Yeah, it's got the wrong time zone. PHO. There we go. So it was on like New York time. Okay. Okay, I think we're good here. So, anyway, I just want to fire it up and see what is it drawing. So, it's drawing 164 watts, which is not nowhere near 500. So that's good. Is there like, what do you do with this thing? We can go in the browser. Is there a browser? I need to download like a picture or something. Get this crap out of here. This stupid jellyfish looking thing. Alright. Music videos. It's not what I want. Settings. Oh jeez. I'm not a big fan of this, so like what I was thinking of doing was, I don't know, maybe I'll leave it on here. This kind of opens up the apps, I guess. So we got utilities, systems, settings, tour. Hey, let's take the tour. Okay. Let's begin. Where the fuck is my mouse? How am I gonna begin? You took my mouse. Bastards. It's gone. It's like froze. Yeah, you can see it's stuck. I don't know what's up with this thing. Sure. I love it. It's great. What am I gonna do? Why do I have two mice? Alright, get an overview. The overview shows you all your apps in Windows. Press the super window key to open it. I don't know what that is, but okay. Powerful search. You search, just start typing an overview, and you can search to launch apps. Okay, that's cool. Stay organized. Swipe up and down. Swipe left and right, and that's it. Okie dokie. So, and what do they think I'm using here? Right. Type search. Web. There we go. Firefox. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. Laggy, laggy. Okay. Alright. Let me see here. Same fucking leftist news on here, it seems like. Wow. Let's just do something like ham. Ham. We get ham. We don't get anything, do we? We get bad stuff. God, that ham radio prep dude. He's ridiculous. All about the money, dude. It says amateur radio, and what do they show? CB radios. Pretty cool, huh? Some of the dumbest questions. Is it legal to have a ham radio? Why is it called ham radio? Let's see, what did they say? The word ham is applied to the 1908 was the station called the first amateur wireless station operated by some amateurs at the Harbor Radio Club. They were Albert S. Hyman, Bob Almy, and Poogie Murray. As at first they called their station Hyman, Almy, Murray. Okay. I don't believe that's actually true. So, but anyway, who cares? You look up images for ham radio, and you get an awful lot of CB radios. And let me see if I can find any pictures related to my channel. You would imagine there'd probably be one eventually, but you never know. Not seeing anything. What a horrible picture. Some guy with a mask on, sitting there just chilling in his radio room by himself, probably. Well, somebody's taking his picture. It's the saddest thing that's ever happened in the history of humanity since I've been alive. And everybody wants us to forget about it. You just gotta pretend it didn't happen, bro. You're overreacting. There's another masked man. Oh man, it's just like you have no dignity, you have no pride, you have no soul, you have nothing left when you're at that point. Well, typing in ham radio doesn't bring me up, that's for sure. But you most likely will see the other people. This is a picture that somebody else has stolen off the internet, and they use it to advertise, which is really shameful, because I know it's not their picture. We look at it and see, what does it say? We click on it. Ham Radio Shack ideas. Well, I don't know. Anyway. Well, look at that wild hair. Oh, the horrible Tentex. No thanks. I had a Tentec. What the hell was it? Something 2. Why can I not remember? Oh, that's a hell of a radio. Corsair 2. That was my first and last Tentec radio. I liked it that much. It was horrible. And everybody bragged about how great of a radio it was. And I didn't think so. That it was terrible. Everybody's like, oh, it's just how they are. Well, okay. It's not my cup of tea. I will not show up in the search here, will I? So I kind of got the name for the channel from Hackaday, I think, a long time ago. Looking up ham radio stuff on there. But also because I take shortcuts on a lot of things. If you type in the channel name, I don't even come up in a Google search. Not even at all. That is a weird radio. It's not with the right color or something. So like literally, maybe I don't usually put spaces in between it. Here, let's see. What the hell was that? Ham radio. I type in ham radio with no spaces. I get ham radio 2.0. I get ham radio crash course. Ham radio prep coupon. I type in with the HECK. I get no suggestions. If I type in my channel like that, I do get shown in the search. So if you search ham radio hack, yes, I do show up. But in fact, most of it is me. So we'll... Can we get it as an image, maybe? Maybe it's my own image. Save image as. Alright. Save. Okay. Now. Oh, come on. How do I minimize this stupid thing? Alright. Change background. Add a picture. Recent. There we go. All right. But that looks like crap. But hey, it looks better than what was on there. So it's out of focus on here because of the way it downloaded it, but actually look back at it, it actually looks interesting. So, I don't know what to do with this damn thing. What's it drawing now? 165. So it's not pulling that much. So as a server with CentOS, what can I do? That's the big question.